Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to insert text box. So if you want to insert text box, you can go to insert tools and then you can click this icon, the text box. As example, I will click at this point. Now you can click the text box icons would be show for option. Like as example, I will use the simple text box. You can click this icon and be insert for the text box. You also can copy and paste the paragraph like in I will copy and you can paste inside the text box. Okay, I will try again another option of text box in the second page and you can go to insert, click the text box and I will use this option. So will be insert the text box in the set bar of the document. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to insert text box. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.